Okay, troopers, so we have started working on some backing tracks, jamming along with some backing tracks. And this one is G to E minor, so nice and simple. Those of you who are just beginning, we can use the simple versions of the chords to get you started. So it would go something like this. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, E minor. Remember, if you're using these small versions of the chord, you're only going to be strumming the first 4 strings, right? The fattest 2 strings are going to be muted. 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, E minor. I'll get my fingers out of the way, hopefully, so you can see. G, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4. Now, for those of you who can make the full chords, it would be something like this. 2, 3, 4, here we go, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4. Then up the strumming game a little bit. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. One bit a little fancier. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Up, down, up, down. Okay, now I am going to make a link to the SoundCloud version of this track you can jam along to, and also at the end of this video I will leave it playing so you can jam along without me interrupting. Okay, enjoy. Thanks.